It's been a while since the last time I did a live stream on TikTok. I'm really nervous because before I started the live, it says that you need to have a camera, and I was like, no! Hello! Welcome to the 7 viewers. Actually, this is just chatting stream. I'm also a bit coughing. It's me, yes, it's you. Oh my gosh! Hello, guitar Pato Tapo. Hello. Hi, I'm Japanese. Hello. I can't speak English either, but I'll do my best. Oh, thank you so much. Arigato minna. Come and enjoy the Yakiniku. Arigato. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I will make you guys hungry. Arigato, Maxiribo. I wish you got Wasumumi. No soju, yeah, no soju. No drinking today. Gotta go now. Yes, cause we have a visitor today. Yeah, I'm Filipino. Sana nga. Binigyan ng layon. Ingal bakla. Thank you for the follow. Thank you guys. Thank you. Binigyan ng dinosaur. May bisita kasi kami ngayon. Pinsan ko galing malayo. And my mom is calling me na. Bye. Follow me. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Rest well, everyone. Alright, I'm just glad to see you live again. Thank you. Thank you also for the gifts. Although you guys are not required to send gifts. Thank you. Arigato.